What's up, guys? Javier. Today, gonna be painting my valve cover. I'm gonna be using aircraft paint remover, some gloves, protective tape, scissors, paper towel to cover places. Probably put this plastic bag, or I don't know if I'll use it. I'm gonna be stripping the paint. I'll also be using this thing. I don't even know what it's called. But yeah, I'll just set up a little time lapse of when I paint it and sand whatever I do. Alright, up next we're going to use the aircraft paint remover after I blocked off all the holes that I wanted to. You don't really need to, but I did it just to be a little safe. And you do want to use gloves for this. And get a paintbrush, anything to smear it around and get the paint off. This stuff will irritate your skin and make you really itchy. So use some gloves. It's been like a day or two since I last worked on the valve cover, but what I was doing whenever I could, almost done. Just have to take off a little bit more paint and give it a little sand, but it's pretty much a strip from paint, and I was using the steel brush. Helped a lot to get into the places I couldn't. But I'm gonna give it a little sand, and I guess I'll make a time lapse when I start painting. Alright, so I finished covering all the holes with the tape I wanted. These holes, I got a quarter and just cut around it and use it for these. Everything else, these side ones, I apply pressure and cut with this blade. Be careful, don't cut yourself. Whatever. Now I'm just gonna give a little white down and apply the first coat. I'll be back when the first coat's done. So it rained earlier, so I brought the valve cover inside of the garage. This is after all the coats. Doesn't look too bad for my first try. What I did was horizontal, then vertical, and then diagonal. Each every 10 minutes, and I did hit it with a heat gun. I'll probably install it tomorrow or Saturday. So the video will go on to that day, whichever day I install. So I'll see you then. So this is 2 days later that I painted the valve cover. So it's all the way dry. I could have done a little bit better, but for the first time, it's alright. I really liked how silver shows. I did sand this down. I took a blade and took off like layers, so I could then sand it and not be so hard. Put some tape around. But yeah, I'm gonna put it on the SI, and I'll just show when it's on then. Alright, so I have been looking at the engine bay, and I feel like it looks nice, but I don't know, I really don't prefer it, so I'm gonna take it off. I lost the other one. Somewhat makes a difference, but I think it looks better like that. That's the end of the video, and thanks for whoever watched.